Here are the 10 tips and tricks that we have to make sure you get the best price for your home. Number 10, price it right. It is important to price your home accurately based on the market and comparing what is sold in your area. So even in today's market, you will need to come up with the right strategy and start at the right price. Number 9, give them room to think. Storage is something every buyer is looking for and can never have enough of. If you can't strip your closet completely, just try removing half of all your stuff. Number 8, lighten the mood. After location, good light is the one thing that every buyer says they want in a home. You can improve lighting by taking down the drapes, cleaning the windows, changing lampshades, and increasing the wattage in your light bulbs and cutting the bushes to let the light come in. Do as much as you can to make it more bright and cheery, and it will make your home more sellable. Number 7, choose your agent wisely. A secret sales killer is hiring the wrong agent. Great agents like the Nold team constantly monitor MLS and know the comps in your neighborhood. While being totally informed and being able to articulate what they know, they are also technologically savvy. Number 6, conceal the critters. You may think your loving and cuddly friends will warm the hearts of buyers, but this may not be the case for everyone. Consider sending your little companions to a friend or a pet hotel for the day. Number 5, don't over-upgrade. Quick fixes before selling may pay off, and a complete home makeover needs to be strategic. It may be as simple as new paint, new and expensive curtains, fixing leaky faucets, or new hardware. Consult with the Nold Group so your hard-earned money isn't wasted. Number 4, take the home out of your home. One of the most important things to do when selling your house is to depersonalize it. Make it so potential buyers can imagine themselves in there. Staging your home is key, and being able to arrange your furniture in a way that maximizes the use of your space. Number 3, the kitchen comes first. Most people spend a great deal of time in their kitchen, and the fastest and most inexpensive way to update your kitchen includes new cabinet hardware. You're also able to paint neutral colors because they're the best at giving your buyers a blank canvas, which can make a huge difference in the selling process. Number 2, always be ready to show. This is because you never know when your buyer is going to walk through the door. You have to be available whenever they want to come and see the place. Keep the house clean, don't pile up dishes, and make sure you routinely dust. Number 1, you never have a second chance to make a first impression. First impressions are the most important, and buyers are judging your home before they even step foot in the door. The exterior of the home is important, and people need to feel warm and welcomed. Curb appeal is very real and could be the deciding factor between your home and the home next door. And there you have it. Those were the 10 tips and tricks that could get you top dollar for your home.